What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hospital vibes today. Trashed hospital vibes at that. I said I've been here before. The place is always sealed, it's open, it's sealed, it's open. It's opened back up again recently, so let's take a little look around the one wing that is open. As you can see, it is trashed. So everything's just smashed up, tagged. Although Pixar's over there, which is damn cool. As you can see, it's just been ransacked, smashed up. It's quite surprising, to be honest, because the hospital is actually out in the middle of nowhere. Well, you know, it's not exactly in the town, etc. So maybe that's why it actually is so vandalised, because no one's here to listen to it. It's just another little ward dump here. Ward A. (2010) that mattress was last checked, or maybe that's when it was new, I'm not too sure. So there's not a whole lot to see in here, but what I'll do, I'll just take you on a little look at the grounds outside after this. So you can see it's a small wing, patients' toilets, and bathroom, shower room. Not a lot to see in here, guys. Although, would you believe that? One window they didn't actually smash. Window, mirror. There you go, as you can see, the heat's getting to me. Flying through the explorers today, but we are loving it. See you outside, guys. So right, guys, in one of the other buildings, sort of main building, it is dark in here because it is all boarded. The favourite anti-climb paint as well. It's on my shoulder, I can prove it. Let's take a little look around. Leave while you can. I love stuff like that. Just adds to the vibes. Sink area. Small little room. Judging probably a bed in there. Just gonna have a little look upstairs. Shit. I don't trip over on the way. As you can see, totally trashed. Would have been a lovely banister at some point as well, and someone's just kicked it out. There's a van. Standard kiddie sort of graffiti. (666). Love it. Yeah, not a whole lot that big, guys. It's basically just stripped, basically empty. Someone's been up there for the pipes, I'm guessing. Floor's not the best, is it? Yeah, let's not actually go in there. And it's bowing under my feet as I walk, guys. I've got to see the 666 room. Let's see what hell looks like. That's what hell looks like. At least you got a mattress. There we go, how about that? And yeah, that's the old hospital, guys. Hope you've enjoyed it. And as I said, now let's show you some outside stuff. As you can see, that's one of the buildings. And you've got the other block here that we've literally just done. Another bigger block. So just taking a little look around. I know the one down there is actually used to be open the last time I came here a few months back, so let's go and have a little look if it still is. Hey girl, you pen. As you can see, it's all just smashed up. Been resealed again recently, simply because that chair wasn't there a couple of months ago. So that's a new board put up on that window. So I'm guessing that's where the ambulance would have gone back in the day. They would have done any servicing checks on it, etc. Clock stopped, 1 o'clock. Not a whole lot to see around here. Asbestos galore. Boiler room. I'm not sure if it was sort of staff quarters down here. Possibly. As you can see, the sheep have been up in here. That's pretty cool. That's been set up different when I was in here last. Worth getting a shot of that. And that's from Singleton Hospital, and that's not where we are today, by the way. Singleton is still very much active. And there we go. That's the hospital, guys. It's only a short video. Not a whole lot here to see, because you can't get in most of the buildings. Nonetheless, hope you've enjoyed the little explore. You know, I'll catch you on the next one. Subscribe if you already haven't. Just let me know what you think.